Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs, and I'm here today with some glossy 3D colors and glaze to add shine and texture to projects. Okay, and this is from, I don't remember where I purchased it, but I'm trying to find the name of the company. SakuraofAmerica.com. Okay, so this is where they're from, and these are the colors. As y'all can see, they're bright colors, and they're 3D. So we're gonna put it to the test to see if it's 3D. I'm going to use my blue pen, okay, to outline all of these little scales here. Not all of them, but most of them. And they do come with this little thing on the tip of the pen. And let's test it out. Wow, it does come out really quick. But my thing is it really going to puffin up? And it stays wet for a bit. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna take my paper here. I'm gonna write something. Okay, I wrote the word leave, and it does leave it with a gloss. Okay, now it's 3D glossy pens. So I see here it's leaving a little bit of a, like a plump to the paper here, but I want to see something. If I go over this, will it leave more of a shine? Yeah. Oh, it does. But the test is, when it dries, will it do that? Let me put my little cap back on the ball of the pen so it doesn't leak. And that's a feature that I like about these pens. They do have the tip where it doesn't leak. So I like to recap them back after, you know, I've had pens like this before in different colors. So that's these. And I'm seeing here, I'm gonna bring this up. See how nice that looks right there? And I don't know if you can tell if I put it on the side. It is a little 3D when you feel it, and it dried pretty quick. It does give a 3D feel. And here, oh, it does give puffy up right here. See? And it doesn't smear. This is the other gel pens I did in the previous video, and those dry quick. So I give this a thumbs up. And this is purchased with my own money. This is my own opinion. I'm not paid for anything to do these reviews. I do them on my own. If I like the item, I'll do a test and do a full review. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below, down there, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload more content. And happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye, crafty angels.